Hello friends, today we are going to demonstrate our physics project that is inclinometer. Let us now learn how to build up of inclinometer and how to use it with the application of trigonometry. Material required for this activity are a semicircle cutout of paper, a cardboard, a rectangular strip of cardboard, straw, a thread, thumb pin, a small weight, colored pens, gum, tape, and also we require ruler. A clinometer is an instrument used for measuring the angle of elevation and angle of depression of an object in order to find the heights and distances.
We can also find the angle of elevation by using the inclinometer. The angle of elevation of an object is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight of an object. This is the case of angle of elevation. Here, this is the horizontal line and this is the line of sight of an object. And this is the angle between the line of sight of an object and the horizontal if the object is above the horizontal. Find the angle of depression by using an inclinometer. The angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight of object if the object is below the horizontal. So this is the angle of depression. The angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight of object if the object is below the horizontal.
Let us now learn how to make an inclinometer. For this, we need to take a semicircular cutout of a paper like this and fold it into two equal parts, like this, so that we obtain a central angle of 90 degree. Now let us fold this piece into three equal parts. Fold it in this way, in this manner. Fold it. Now we obtain three equal parts of 30 degree each. Then again fold it into two equal parts. Now the angle we got is 15 degree. Now open this semicircular paper. Now let us draw a line segment on this. So this is 0 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, plus 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, and 90 degree. 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, and 90. Now we need to paste this on a cardboard like this. When we paste this, we will obtain a protector like this. Now our protector for inclinometer is ready. Let us find the height of the flag using this inclinometer. First, we have to find the distance between the building and the base of the inclinometer. This comes to be the 37 centimeter. Let us find the height of the inclinometer up of the ground level. This height comes to be 42 centimeter. Now we have the practical diagram of this situation. The height of the inclinometer is 42 centimeter and the distance between the base is 37 centimeter. Now let us find the angle between the flag and the ground using this inclinometer. This angle comes to be 15 degrees and 15 degree. Now we have to find this height using this formula, that is in triangle PRT. Consider this triangle. Tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, which is opposite upon adjacent. RT upon PT. We know that we take RT as x centimeter and PT is over 37 centimeter. Let us we know this theta is equal to 15 degree. We put this as 15 degree, which RT we have take x and PT is over 37. Now we put the value of 15 using this log book. We have find the value of tan 15, which comes to be 0.27, which is equal to x upon 37, which comes to be 0.27 into 37 is equal to x, which is equal to 9.99 centimeter. Therefore, we by using this inclinometer, we find the height of the flag.
So we have learned that with the help of application of trigonometry, we can find the height of the flag above the ground level.